Want to strike gold in the trading world? In this video, I will review a powerful 1-hour trading strategy that has been proven to deliver consistent results. Whether you're a beginner trader or an experienced trader, this strategy is easy to learn and execute, all right? And you can use this strategy on any market condition, whether it's a bullish move or a bearish move or a ranging market. You can use this strategy on them, and you can also use this strategy on any market. If you're trading forex, you can use this strategy. If you're trading stock, futures, and even the crypto market at all, you can use this strategy. Now, when it comes to this strategy, there are two things we are going to be paying attention to. Number one is the break and retest, and number two is the entry candlestick confirmation. This is the 1-hour time frame on the gold market, all right? And for those of you that don't understand the break and retest is very simple, and it happens on any market condition, right? So let's say if we have our key level here, and we have price moving from the downside, and price gave us a higher high and a higher low here. We expect price to break, pulls back to retest just like this. Simple. Now, looking from this setup here, what do we have here? We'll have a simple double top just like this, right? And on that double top, as you can see, we have the neckline of the double top just like this, around this level. If I should extend. Now, what did price do? Price broke the neckline of your double top here, and I'm going to extend this key level right now. Since price break the neckline of our double top here, all we have to do is to wait for a retest. And now that price has retested, what do? The next thing we wait for is a candlestick, entry candlestick. And when it comes to entry candlesticks, I pay attention to only wick rejection on the 1-hour time frame whenever I am trading gold. Now, as you can see, since we have a break and retest here, and what did price do on this candlestick? Price push up, close with a wick here, but did not touch our level, right? Push up again, close with a wick above, like gave us a wick above and above, but price did not get to that key level. Now, a newbie trader will want to rush into trade, right? A newbie traders, we want to rush into trade even though price did not get to their most important key level and put their stop loss very tight like this. And the next thing you see, candlestick retracing to hit them, and they will start complaining if the strategy worked or not. Now, I'm going to wait patiently. And right now, since we waited, this candlestick push all the way to the upside, leave us a weak rejection, right? After price leave us a weak rejection and close there, then I will execute with a 50 pip stop loss on gold. I will execute just like this. And if I like, I can tighten my stop loss if I want. But for you to trade maturely, you're going to give your stop loss a breathing space, all right? Now, as you can see, a 1 to 5 around this level. Even when we want to hold to this level, we will continue holding. But a realistic 1 to 3 here. All right, let's say we are targeting 1 to 3. As you can see, that is a simple example of a break and retest. Now, let's do more examples of break and retest and the type of candlesticks that I pay attention to. Now, as you guys can see, we have a clean key level here, just like this. This is our support. Very clean there. This is our support. We have a support zone there, like that. So I'm gonna put it on the body. So we have a support zone there. What did price do? Price broke our support zone. This is a support zone, right? A lower lows and a lower highs. Then price failed to give us a higher high here. Do you understand? Then broke that support zone. That lower low is our support zone, right? So price broke it. Then pulls back to retest. Now price pulls back to retest, which is one thing we are looking for. And the next thing is entry candlestick confirmation. After that candlestick confirmation, now what did price do? Price gave us a weak rejection at that level. And what do? We look to sell again. Because of what? We have a clean break and a retest. Just like this. You see, you can shorten your stop loss, but I trade very matured. So I'm going to be using a 50 pip stop loss on gold here. Just like this, all right? And this is a simple 1 to 5 risk to reward. So this strategy, if you're talking about the percentage of this strategy is 85% win rate. As you guys can see here, price was heading to the upside normally, giving us a series of higher high and a higher low, higher high and a higher low, a higher high here and a higher low. Then we'll have a big double top there. As you can see, then price drop. But on that double top, if you notice, we are going to pay attention to this recent one. Price push up again, gave us a bearish engulfing. Then price decide to push all the way back again, then give us the second leg of the double top, then close as a bearish engulfing again, right? Let's say if our key level are not here, or if our key level is not here by this time where we have a double top, we wouldn't have taken this trade. But right now, how do we take advantage of this double top here? Right now, as you can see, on that double top, we have a neckline on the double top. And right now, this is the neckline. Price broke the neckline just like this. What would you be expecting? a retest of the neckline, right? So we waited for a retest of the neckline, price pulls back to retest and close with a weak rejection. Now, after price close with a weak rejection, which is the second thing we are looking for, right now, as you can see, after price closed and gave us a weak rejection at our key level, what do? We execute a quick 1 to 4 or 1 to 5. So you can see that this strategy has a strong win rate, right? This strategy you're using here or seeing here have a very strong win rate. So now I'm going to have to shrink my chart and see how the trade goes. All right, so now let's see, do we have any key level here? Let's say, as you guys can see, let's say we have a resistance from here, a resistance just like this, a resistance. We push our key level to the upside. Now what did price do? Price broke our resistance zone, pulls back, right, and leave us a weak rejection from this level. Let's say our key level is like this, okay, like this. So price break, pulls back to retest on our key level, right? And after that retest there, what do we have? Price gave us a weak rejection there. Then what do? We look to execute around this level and make our stop loss what? And make our stop loss 50 pip stop loss. Very simple, as you can see. Very simple, just like this. And we target a minimum of 1 to what? Let's say we're targeting a realistic 1 to 3 here. Target a minimum of 1 to 3. All right, let's say, do we have another key level here? Let's extend this one and see. Okay, good, beautiful. So as you guys can see, what do we have here? Price broke that neckline, closed with a bearish engulfing around here, then push up again, left us a weak rejection, and that is also an entry for us. So guys, as you can see, this is one of the simplest trading strategy that you should be using as a beginner trader or as a struggling trader. This strategy has a high win rate, all right, and that is what I'm advising you to use. So right now we are going to do a few backtesting on this strategy. This is a 4-hour time frame on the gold market, and what do we have here? Price was dropping before, gave us a double bottom, which is a change of structure, and right now gave us a higher high and a higher low, higher high and a higher low, and also a higher highs and a higher lows here. So right now let's start from the recent high. This is the 4-hour time frame, right? As you guys can see, we got a resistance here, resistance. Price broke our resistance, pushed back to retest. For me, I don't consider one candlestick retracement as a retest for me, right? Now, what did price do? Price pushed all the way to the upside, then drop again. Then now, what did price do here? Price gave us this morning star here, and this is going to be an entry. But if we enter from here right now, if you are trading on the 4-hour time frame, let's see if our stop loss won't be that big. Okay, so let's say it's like this and we execute, we long here. All right, so let's say this is another example. We have a resistance zone here, we extend all the way to this level. Price broke our resistance, pulls back to retest, leave us a candle, a bullish engulfing there. Now I'm not going to say I will execute on this one because price closed below instead of above, right? That weak rejection was below instead of above. Now I execute my trade here, a realistic 1 to 3 real quick, and this is how I write this strategy. Now let me do another example for you guys. We have a clean key level here. On here I'm going to use a rectangle box. We have a clean key level here. All right, we have a clean key level here. Price broke our key level, pulls back to retest, and left us a weak rejection there. Price closed with a weak rejection around that level. But right now this weak rejection is too short, it's too small based on this candlestick, how big that candlestick is coming. So I waited for the next candlestick to form, and as you can see, leave us that indecision candle like that, or is it a pin bar, something like that. So when the price formed it, I long from here, and also my stop loss. Okay, let's say I long from here like this, and my stop loss below, right, below that candlestick. And as you can see, this is the best trading strategy that you should be using as a beginner. Okay guys, I believe you love this video. If you love this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video. Okay guys, if you want to join our mentorship program, click on the link in the description box to join our mentorship program. And if you want to send me a message on Telegram or Instagram, all the link are there. Other than that guys, peace.